Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your brother, Mighty Prophet, man. Back again with another video. As usual, man, giving y'all the good content. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure you go like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Once again, I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all OG subscribers, man, for subscribing to the channel, man. I'm almost at 700 subscribers. I'm at like 670 right now. Road to 1K. I do appreciate y'all, man, for real. Y'all keeping my channel going. Y'all keeping me going, man. But other than that, man, we finna get into the video. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna install some LED ice blue headlights and fog lights for my Dodgejourney. So we're gonna throw that on there. I'm gonna give y'all the before and after, what it looks like with the regular halogen bulbs or the stock bulbs in there, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like with the ice blue in there. It should be a lot brighter and it should reach further distance, but I'm gonna show y'all that, man. So let's get into the video. I'm gonna show y'all the install as well too, so let's get into the video, man. So these are what the bulbs look like this. These go to the headlamps and the high beams as well. They have the a little adapter to it. They should fit directly on it. I already tried it, so it fits perfectly fine. It has like a little fan on the back of here as well. Maybe I'm showing it too close to the camera, but it has like a little fan, so you'll hear it cut on. So before you even put it all the way in and, you know what I'm saying, like sink it in and everything like that. It has a plus and a minus sign. You might have it backwards, so make sure that you check it before you actually put it in. Just FYI, should show it plus and a minus sign right here. But other than that, man, once you put it in correctly, the fan will kick on, which is really good. It keeps it cooling the whatever is cooling. But other than that, man, that's it. So I got these off eBay. As you know, man, I get all my parts from eBay, man. If you did not know. If I didn't show the box, it comes in a box like that. Boom. Boom. These are made in China. Everything's made in China, as we know. And I think these are my fog lights, which look weird. So they come like this. They all come with styrofoam in the bottom and just like this as well. So this is what my fog lights look like. Like that. And these are all ice blue. You can kind of unscrew this as well. I'm not sure if it'll do anything, but I can unscrew it. You see me, and I can tighten it back up. Not sure if that does anything, but yeah. That's it. That's what my fog lights should look like. I'm going to test it. This has to be the fog lights. The other headlights don't look like this. And all of them have two pins in there, two little connectors. If you haven't already, make sure you go subscribe to the channel, man. Mighty Prophet. I did have 144K at the end, but the reason I changed it is because people, when you type it in, it won't pull it up automatically. You type this in and pulls it automatically. So go type in Mighty Prophet. Go type in Mighty Prophet, man. It'll go right up. Subscribe to it. Pull that back with you. Positive, negative. So I just realized this. Man, I did this for no reason. This is two different thicknesses. This is for your headlight. This is for your high beams. The high beam one is a little skinnier. It goes directly in, and then this messed up on this one. I actually shaved it off, which I shouldn't have. I thought they were okay, but they fit directly in there with no issue. So this is the high beam. Let's see how it goes directly in there. Still goes in there a certain way. Here we go. So it goes in like that, you can see. So I kind of messed up on this one. Right here. I put that one in there correctly as well. You just gotta make sure you put it in correctly. It goes in. I might have forgotten to mention this, but you wanna make sure you test the idle before you put it in. So from what I'm seeing, the positive side is on the outside, so not the side I'm showing you, but on the other side. So make sure the positive when you connect it is not on that piece. high beam. High beams without fog lights. So the fog lights cannot turn on with the high beams. I'm not sure if that's on every car, but it's not on this car. It won't let me turn the fog lights on. Just trying to give y'all information on that. So I got my fog lights on, so I'm going to turn to my high beams. That's fog lights with high beams with just the high beams click forward or click backwards. My bad, click backwards. If I click them forward where they stay on automatically, they cut the fog lights off. So this is fog lights and high beams together. Fog lights and high beams together. Just the headlights. It's extremely bright. You can see a lot more. It's a lot clearer on the road. You can see pretty much everything and anything with these lights. This is way better than the stock halogen bulbs. So without fog lights. You're not going to be able to tell too much from the camera, but visually, as in person, this is way better. You also can get these in just actual white, LED white as well, instead of ice blue, but I like the ice blue. So that's pretty much the end of the video, man. Let me know what y'all think about the video. If I didn't say this, man, I get on my parts from eBay. So this is ice blue from eBay. Ice blue LED lights from eBay. They cost about $35 for the full set. For the high beams and the regular headlamps or the low beams or whatever, and also the fog lights. So you can get some without the fog lights. They'll be about $25. I got some coming for the charger as well. Make it a little different because I don't really want to replace this headlamp. I really don't care too much about it, but I don't like the little haziness on it. But other than that, man, that's the install on the Dodgejourney. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go like and subscribe to the channel, man. Mighty Prophet, man, subscribe to that channel. It's Brother Mighty Prophet, man.